Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Red Dead Redemption 2 on your PC or your laptop. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to download the Steam application, and let's head on to the Steam website first. So first let's search for download Steam, and then click on the first search result, and here you can see you'll be able to download Steam by clicking on this button. So once you do that and create your Steam account, you'll be able to open the Steam application on your Windows PC as well. So once you do that, let's go ahead and open our Steam application since we have already completed that process. Okay, so here I have opened the Steam application. So now let's search for our game, which is Red Dead Redemption 2. So go to the search bar and then search for Red Dead Redemption 2. So once you do that, just click on the search result, as this is our game that we want to download and install on our laptop. So here you can see this is a trailer, and it seems to be an open world adventure game. Alright, so now let's scroll down and see what's the cost. And as you can see, it is currently on heavy discount of 67%. So I think this is the best time to get it, as it is on a heavy discount. So now what you have to do is just click on add to cart, and once you do that, you can just click on continue shipping option and make the payment, and you'll be able to download and install Red Dead Redemption 2 on your PC and laptop, as you will see the game on your library after the payment. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.